I am Ajmal from Vila locks. Today we are going to fix vd909. We will teach you how to fix properly in the door. First of all, this part, the machine, we will fix in the door like this, and we have to 4 screw here for fixing. In the second part, this is the cylinder. Okay, this is coming the more length. You will fix and you will cut from here according to your door thickness. Now we have to cut here 22 to 23 mm. This is the normal size. Okay, so we will fix. After the fixing of machine, we will fix the cylinder here like this properly. We will fix this longer screw coming with the cylinder. We'll fix like this from here. Okay, like this. Okay, and you will fix from here like this properly. This is the front side now fix. Okay, after like this, Daggy, come please. After you will see, you will set the plate according to here the size, and this is the screw you will fix like here. This is the second screw you will fix like here in the downside. Connect the wires. You will connect the wires. These 3 wires you will connect like this. Okay, first of all, this is antenna wire. After, secondly, you will fix this smaller wire. In the third one, you will fix this wire. Please properly fix on the right place the all wires. After the 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3, these 3 parts you have to connect. Okay, check this one. You will like this. Okay, like this. Pause kar Okay, after this rod you will put here. Okay, after you will adjust wires like this properly, and you will adjust 3 part, 1, 2, 3 in the center. After properly fixing this one, tight the screw like this type. Have inside 3 in the boxes, 2 in the upside, 1 is the down. Okay, so first of all, you fix the down screw. After, you have to fix the upside like this. 1 is here, and the third one. After, this is the battery. You will put battery properly like this and check the working is start like this. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.